In case you don't have an air compressor and an impact wrench at your house, we're just going to show you using a tire iron, which comes in every car. If you're using a tire iron, you want to have the car on the ground so the weight will hold the tire in place instead of wanting to spin. Then you're just going to loosen it up that much, break the main hold loose. Do that on each lug nut on the car before you jack them up. Since we have an air compressor, we're going to do it the easy way with the impact wrench, so we're going to go ahead and jack the front of this vehicle in the air.